ogu erizoba yatunga kwemererwa obwe koti yabetorirwa bibyo kwerinda okwenda kunyweza ngo hatagira bakubasa kuba baba nibenda kuretaho kwekarakasa mu koti. Muhumuza Bright akaba yasimbira habwa MP Bwambara City South kandi akaruru tarakatire bwa nyuma yo kuhambwa 2013 kandi akaruru katirwe 2015 okwo kubanza. Muhumuza najunanwe manzi 2 ezirumwo kwejumbiro mu kikorwa cyo kuvugisa motoka kimama ecyabire nkibasa kurugamo okutomu kabi amagarago mudumzi wa polisi yambara Kenneth Kawigo gumisiriza. Orundo rubanja orukumujunanwa no kujemera obuhabuzi bwa polisi ebiruka kandi kikorwa kinagambwa kuba yakikozera haruguto rwa Chamgorani hihe na hoteli ya Rad Omurimbara City North ebiro 8/11/2025.
Ati Chamgolong cell in Mbarara City in a manner so rash or negligent, likely to cause harm to SP Kenneth Kawigo.
Beitu muhumuze ebyo byona yabyakana atakashira hakwemererwa omutonganirizi wa government kabasita shama yashaba koti kubatandika kuro rubanja no kuhoza kandi nakitabaza DPC Kenneth Kawigo yabari yo mukoti okobujurizi. Bitu ba prida ba muhumuza okushaba kwa shama bakutera empimbi na muzana bari kujangwe rizoba ryabari ryo kushaba kwemererwa kutarukoza.
I have information to believe that has been adjourned for hearing, Your Worship. But I leave courts with its discretion on whether the matter is to be heard today or it's going to afford more time to counsel to acquaint themselves with what we have disclosed to them to afford the hearing.
DPC Kawigo yabanza kwanga ngo muhumuza atemererwa ahabo kugira ngo kintu eki nikitinisiriza amagarage yaba yarekwirwe. Bitu ba Prida naco bakiteramwe bituri kandi hona nabo muramuzi yikirizana no kushaba kwabo.
I consider him, in my opinion, not to be a person of responsibility, because looking at how he behaved on that day.
What is the merit of the case?
That's why you have fears. Or tell them what you
Because
fear.
you will hear you on the
On
case.
that case, yeah.
My fears are that he is capable of causing harm to me, as he attempted to do, because someone who has no respect for authority and law trying to harm police officers on duty when he was seeing me.
Muhumuza yikirizwa kwemererwa ha musingo gwa miliyoni 1 ezo buroho kandi baroya be bana bashaba miliyoni 4 ezo butaroho.
Itekanda turagira ngo umuntu yaba inendanga muntu aina iba kweta nini ninga national identification number eru kubero hebu mukwasiro ebinku mu amisho na byone by'abanyayuganda bagera itekanda jangu nabari yo munyayuganda nabo ico twamanyisa kode ngwegendere ahariya ahanini ya buri muntu in case kuba kuterranka cyamanero siwana kabara kwate sumu client witu bamuhereze obwema aze kurebera abana ahabo kuba akomerwe ebero aberna nabena ebirengeresha hana na munana is constitution kuhereza kode.
Orubanja rwayongezwa yo kusiya 2012 kwa kashatu 2026 ubaraga rucyo mu koti kutandika koza gasha kwa Fred turiyakira kabango.